Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the entire process of making an awesome Cheer is in My DNA shirt, like that one right there, and how to use some different types of materials to make it look really cool. Stick around to see how. Alright, so the different types of material I'm going to use in this training today, we have our Siser Easy Reflective. Gives a really cool look. We're going to use this for the thumbprint. I think it's going to look really awesome. Then we have our Royal Blue Glitter Heat Transfer Vinyl and our Gold Glitter Heat Transfer Vinyl from Siser as well. Now what I want to do is I want to show you how to get the design from the website, show you the cut file. We're going to go through the cutting process. We're going to show you the weeding. After the weeding, we're going to go ahead and press it to the garment. And then at the end, I'm going to go over the pricing to show you how much money and the margins you can make on doing really unique and different shirts like these. So let's head over to the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW. Let's go ahead and get this cut file and get it sent over to our Graphtec CE6060 vinyl cutter. Okay, so the design that we're using today is out of our TRW DNA Mini Pack 2. You're going to see the amazing 8 different files that come in this one. They are live templates, so if you do have CorelDRAW, or if you even have the business edition of Silhouette Designer Edition Business, you can actually edit the text in these files to change it to whatever you want. But what's awesome about this is even if you don't have those programs, you're going to get the perfectly ready to go cut files. So for example, the one we're doing here today is Cheer is in My DNA. So when you open the cut file, this is what you're going to see right here. We did all the work for you. All you need to do is pick what colors of vinyl you want, send it to your cutter, whether it's your Graphtec, your Roland, your GCC, your Silhouette, doesn't matter, we're good to go. So first thing we want to cut is this one right here. This is going to be our Easy Reflective Heat Transfer Vinyl. And then we're going to use some different colors. So I'm going to use, obviously, our glitter. So this is just for our looks right here. I'm going to do the blue glitter. So let's go ahead and drop in our royal blue glitter. And I'm going to drop it into each of these areas here. So I'm just going to weld that together. There's our royal blue glitter. And then here is our gold glitter. Just so we know exactly what this design is going to look like. But then what we can also do is get all of our pricing at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start cutting this. We're going to cut our Easy Reflective first. So Reflective, launch, and let's go ahead and open Cutting Master 4. Okay, so we have our cutter set up here. I'm going to cut this at a force of 13, quality of 1, and speed of 25. So let's go ahead and hit send. Alright, now our second cut's going to be our royal blue glitter. So let's go ahead and get this sent to the cutter. I'm going to use a force of 18 with the royal blue and a 45-degree blade. And then our last cut here is going to be our gold glitter. Same force of 18, speed of 25. Let's send this. Alright, so now that we have our entire transfer cut, we have our blue glitter, our gold glitter, and our Easy Reflective. Now it's time to get this over to the shirt, press it to the shirt, and let me show you a couple of tricks when it comes to pressing this on a shirt as far as which way you want to go as far as pressing first to last, time, temperature, and pressure. Alright, so the shirt we're going to use here is one of our next level burnout shirts. And I'm just going to get this lined up on my 16x20 autoclam here. Get this lined up nice, come down with a quick little pre-press. Now, I'm going to go to about 310 degrees. So, the Easy Reflective, you want to be around the 305 range. The glitter, you're going to be around 315 to 320. So, I'm just going to find the middle of that, about 310 to 312. Now, as far as with my design, I'm going to put the entire design together. Now, the cool thing about this is all of these are a hot peel, okay? So I don't need to worry that much about it. But I'm going to get my design lined up here. I'm going to say that looks pretty good. A little bit off the left edge, a little bit off the right edge. The top of the H is up near the collar, the armpit going right across about the top third of the design in that area. So it's going to line up really nice when they're wearing this shirt. And I put the entire thing together like that so I could make sure that my reflective was lined up good. So as I peel this off, I'm good to go. So I already did my pre-press on this shirt of 2 to 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and press our thumbprint here first. And we're only going to go about 2 to 3 seconds on this press. Once we feel good with that, we can peel up our carrier sheet here. And we have our first layer or our thumbprint down. Now I'm going to come back with the text part of the design. And remember, everything was already lined up within the design that you got on the website. So as far as the thinking about this design, you didn't have to do anything with the cut file ready that we chose. Now, if you wanted to change the text on this, that's the awesome part about these types of designs, is you have the ability to be able to do that. So everything looks good and lined up here. I'm going to come for another 2 to 3 seconds on this one. 1,000, 1,000. And let's go ahead and release our second layer. And then our last one is our cheer flyer right here. So let's go ahead and get her lined up perfect. And you can see how awesome. Everything lined up perfect in this design. Now, I don't have a carrier sheet with me right now, so I do have some of my glitter exposed, so I'm just going to use that blue Mylar backing basically as my protective cover sheet. So good to go. And now I'm going to go for that full 10 to 15 seconds. Again, got a nice hot peel on this one. And that's it. We are good to go. So we have a completed shirt here. Alright, so that's it. You can see how awesome this shirt turned out. We have our reflective, so if it's nighttime or anything and any type of light shines up against this thumbprint is just going to glow. It's going to look freaking amazing. Something different, something unique to make your shirts different than all the other ones out there, right? But then we have the blue glitter, the gold glitter. Maybe it's the cheer organization's colors. Get some matching on the colors there. And just on the nice burnout shirt. Now, what I want to do with this is show you how much money you can make doing something like this for a cheer organization. And what I really love is sometimes when the moms or different people bring in their own shirts, so you don't have the blank shirt cost. You're just customizing this design on their shirt, and let me show you how awesome those margins are. So let's head back over to the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW and show you how that works. Okay, so we're back here in the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW. Highlight our design, left click on this money sign, and this is going to give us all of our material costs. Pretty cool feature. So 75 cents in royal blue glitter, 28 cents in gold, $1.06 in the easy reflective for a total of $2.09. Click OK with that. Now we're going to take it to the next level. If we come up and right click on that money sign, now it's going to start asking us a bunch of questions. What did you charge for the setup and design fee? Let's just say this was a created design like it was, so we didn't charge anything. Hourly rate of the production employee, obviously we didn't charge anything, so we'll put 0 for that. How many minutes for the setup and design? 0 again. Now, what's the retail price of the finished product? We're going to let them provide the shirt, so we're just going to charge $20 for us to put this design onto their shirt. What's the percent discount that we're going to give this customer? We're going to give them a 10% discount because they're going to get a quantity of shirts. And we're not going to put it on this Bella canvas. We're going to have the customer provide the shirt for us. So we have 0 blank cost. Hourly rate of the production employee, $10.25 an hour. And then how many minutes to produce the shirt? Let's say it takes 13 minutes for each shirt. What's the total quantity being produced for this order? We're going to do 20 shirts here. And now it's going to start to figure out your overhead cost as well. What's your total rent, electric, internet, phone, all of that stuff a month? Let's just say $250. And then on average, how many products do you produce a month? If you did one fundraiser for 500 decals or one screen print job, there's 500. We're going to go with 400. It's going to process through here, and then it's going to give us all of this amazing information. So you can see up here at the top, there's all of our vinyl cost. So we have all of our royal blue, our gold, and our easy reflective, $2.09 in vinyl cost. We had no order setup fee, and we didn't charge a design and setup fee. The customer provided the shirt, so that's $0. So total material cost is $209. $10.25 an hour employee, 13 minutes to produce. That's $2.25 of employee wages on each shirt that we're making, or $2.22. 63 cents in business overhead cost on each shirt. So we have a total cost of $4.94 on each one of these shirts that we're creating. Well, we're going to retail them at 20 bucks. We're going to make 20 of them. A 10% discount is $18 each. For the customer, it's going to take a little over 4 hours to complete this job. So the customer order price, what they're going to pay, is $360 for this order. All right, so we collect that $360. Our business has $98.80 in total cost for this order. Obviously, the design and setup fee was prepaid, so our business is going to make $261.20 on this order, or $60.32 an hour on this job. That is pretty awesome to know how much money your business is going to make. And we didn't even have to provide the actual blanks for this customer. They brought all of their own shirts in for us to be able to do that. Now, what we can also do is we can take all of this information and we can create some printable pricing breakdowns and kind of order forms for the customer to sign off on. So we enter all of their information. Let's do an internal and a customer pricing breakdown printout. And now when I click on that, check out what it's going to give us. First one it's going to show us here is obviously our customer pricing breakdown. So easy to print out, email to your customer. It's just going to give all the information for the order, how much they owe, what they're getting, all of the materials, the colors, all of that they're providing the shirts, and they sign off on the bottom just approving it. Now the internal one is going to give us a breakdown of all of our information on this order to find out how much we're going to make on this actual order from the customer for the future. Alright, so that's it. Pretty awesome looking shirt, unique, different. Your customers are going to love it, but the margins you make on doing something like this, even allowing your customers to bring in their own shirts, is absolutely amazing. So that's why I like to share all of these different breakdowns. Whether you're providing the shirt for the customer and the time involved and the cost involved in that, or allowing your customer to bring in their own products, which I prefer because now I know the shirt's going to fit, it's the right color, it's the style they want, and they aren't going to complain about anything. The biggest thing is just making them sign off on something, just saying, hey, if I make a mistake on this, if anything happens, then we will make another one for you if they provide a shirt. And that's the way that I always used to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you think this video helped your business, please click that like button right below here. Make sure to comment below. Let me know what you think of this design and the shirt, and then click that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, so every time I create a video like this, it'll give you a notification to help your business. So again, thanks for watching, but for watching this video, look below. I have a special coupon code for these DNA packs on the website at therhinestoneworld.com. Benefit for watching these videos, sometime you get some special coupon codes. So check out the link below and the coupon code. You can go get this design pack right now, and if you have any questions, just give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with therhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day. Later.